Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my events on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Galan 0. I'm joined by Hosi Yamina.
Sibos,
Yeah.
in a problem. No coach wait.
Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi unomtanjela una yellow card.
Yeah.
Uhlala unama booking lo muntu.
Mfethu.
Coach wethu angazi ukuthi yini angayiboni.
Yeah.
Or lo mfana orubuya naye uTS guy ulikhona le kumarumo Galant.
Favoritism.
Favoritism.
Yeah.
Why angamkhiphi?
Yes.
Midfield yethu befile total because of Nomtanje.
Yes.
Favorism angazi ukuthi why.
Yes.
Ama striker wethu.
Yeah.
Umabasa.
Yeah.
Uyafuneka.
We
need him back to Umabasa.
Yeah.
Finishing ayikho.
Yeah.
Midfield we are quality.
Yeah.
Defender we are quality.
Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi yini oyenza.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?